Welcome to Nirmal's Code Tech. In my previous video, I think you have watched the particular logic of this problem. So if you have not watched, please go and watch that video. And after that, you can also come and watch this coding part. Okay. So in this problem, I have mentioned that we are going to solve this problem by using binary search, which gives the time complexity of log of n. Okay. So initially, in binary search, we also try to find out the middle element, and from that middle element, we try to check whether the particular element is necessary or not by using some based on some conditions. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to declare L equal to 0 or equal to n minus 1. What is n minus 1? So it is nothing but the array last index. For example, in this example, the array size is 7. So it is based on zero based indexing. That's why I have mentioned L equal to 0 and R equal to n minus 1. So if n is 7, then the last index will be 7 minus 1 will be 6. That's what R is equal to 6. Okay. Now we are going to do binary search. So L should be always less than or equal to R. And inside this iteration part, first of all, we are going to find out the middle element. So for that, we are going to declare the variable m. So in m variable, we are going to store the middle element value. Okay, m equal to L plus R divided by 2. So when you are going to add L and R and divided by 2, you'll get the middle value of the element. Okay, here you have got the value as m is equal to 3. So here 3 is not the element, it's an index. So in that particular index, the value that have been stored is 8. You are going to compare this value from the first array to the second array of the element. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to check whether the first array middle elements and second array middle elements are same or not. If they are same, we are going to move the left part to the right side by adding with the middle index. Okay. So if you see here, I have what's the reason for moving the left part to the right side? Here the middle parts are so middle index of the elements are same. So when they are same, we can say that the left side of the elements will also be same. The reason is they have mentioned you have given two sorted arrays. So in sorted arrays, if the elements are same, we don't need to check to the left side of the element. So just like that, I am moving the L to the right side. Now the L value will become 4. Okay. In next case, when the elements are not same, when the middle elements are not same, in that case, we need to decrement the right side value by subtracting from the middle index. So here it will become R equal to m minus 1. So when you are going to subtract it by 1, you will get the value as 4. Okay. So now what we are going to do is we are going to check whether the elements are in the right condition or not. Now the value will be L equal to 4, M equal to 4, R equal to 4. When it goes to the next iteration, its value will become, so R value will become 3. But L value will be, so R value become, right, R value will become 3, but L value will become 4. So this is not a condition. It will automatically terminates from this loop. And just like that, we can return L. So it will print the value as 4, which is our expected output. Okay. So let me run and see whether the program is running right or wrong. Okay, it's giving the right output. Okay, custom. Okay, it's in the custom input. Okay, let me submit. You can see in our second test case is not passing. The reason is that you are checking the value index 1 out of bound for length 1. So you are going to check the value which is not present in the second array. So second array we have the length as 1, but in first array we have the length as 2. You are checking the index 1, which is not in our second array. So in that case, you need to give a specific condition. If array 2 dot length is equal to yum. So when array second array length and the middle um, index value is same, in that case you need to give break, and just you can return the value or value of L which has been stored in our previous part. Okay, let me check by giving 2 11 22 11. Okay, you can see output is 1, execute output is 1. Okay, no problem. So if you want to understand this part, I'll try to explain it once again. So if you see in this custom output, 11 and 22 have a length as 2, but in second array we length as 1. So in first iteration, no problem. So 11 will be checked with 11 and you will get it as a, it will be same, and the L part will be moved to the right side. So in right side, L will be 1, R will be 1, and M will be 1. So in that case, you have M will be 1. So M is 1. So you can't able to check with the secondary. In secondary, there is no second element which has been present in the secondary. So in that case, you need to check whether the M value and array 2 length are same. In that case, I'm going to terminate and or I'm going to break from that loop and return the value as L, which is 1. Okay, let me submit and check. The test case is processing. Okay, I think all the test case have been passed. Okay, no problem. So we can see in our next video. Bye.